As we get older, it's common to feel like our bodies aren't what they used to be. The energy we once had seems to dwindle, and the activities we used to enjoy might now feel like a chore. It's a natural part of the aging process, but it can be disheartening. We might feel a little weaker, a bit less steady on our feet. Simple movements that were once second nature can become more challenging. This can lead to a sense of frustration or even fear of falling. You might notice everyday tasks taking a bit more effort. Picking up groceries, tying your shoes, or even just getting through household chores can feel like a workout. These small struggles can add up, making you feel older than you are. These changes are a natural part of aging, but that doesn't mean we have to simply accept them. There are ways to combat these feelings and regain a sense of control over our bodies. Engaging in light exercises, gardening, or picking up a new hobby can make a significant difference. There are simple, enjoyable things we can do to feel stronger and more energetic, no matter our age. Activities like yoga, group exercises, or even a nature walk can boost our mood and physical health. We can reclaim our vitality and enjoy our golden years to the fullest. It's about finding joy in movement and staying active in ways that are fun and fulfilling. Dancing, picnicking with friends, or simply being outdoors can bring a sense of happiness and well-being. It's all about making small changes that make a big difference. Starting your day with a stretch, taking a leisurely walk, or doing simple exercises at home can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. You might be surprised to learn that you don't need complicated exercise routines or restrictive diets. Enjoying a healthy meal, taking a walk, or engaging in low-impact activities can be just as effective. Just one simple habit can make a world of difference: daily walking. Walking is a low-impact, accessible form of exercise that can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and boost your mood. It's a small change that can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. Yes, you read that right. Walking, something we often take for granted, can be a game changer for seniors looking to maintain their strength and independence. It's gentle on the joints, easy to incorporate into your routine, and incredibly beneficial for your overall health. Think of walking as a gentle but powerful way to wake up your muscles. With each step, you're engaging various muscle groups, helping them stay active and strong. This simple habit goes beyond just building physical strength. It's about rediscovering a sense of vitality and freedom in your everyday life. You see, muscle strength isn't just about lifting heavy objects. It's about ensuring that we can perform everyday tasks with ease and confidence. As we age, our muscle mass naturally decreases, which can make these tasks more challenging. But with regular strength training, we can counteract this decline. It plays a crucial role in maintaining our mobility, balance, bone density, and even our independence as we age. Imagine being able to walk up a flight of stairs without feeling winded or carrying your groceries without struggling. These are the benefits of having strong muscles. Strong muscles help us move freely and easily, whether we're getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or simply enjoying a walk in the park. They support our joints, making movements smoother and reducing the risk of injuries. They help us maintain our balance, reducing the risk of falls, a common concern for seniors. Falls can lead to serious injuries, but with better muscle strength, our bodies are more stable and resilient. And here's something many people don't realize. Strong muscles contribute to strong bones. When we engage in weight-bearing exercises, our bones respond by becoming denser and stronger. This is crucial in preventing osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures. Regular walking can help improve bone density, making us less susceptible to fractures. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Strong muscles also boost our confidence and mental well-being. Knowing that we can move and function independently gives us a sense of empowerment and improves our overall quality of life. Now, let's talk about how to make walking your secret weapon for staying strong. The key is consistency. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Brisk means you're slightly out of breath but can still hold a conversation. You can break down your walks into shorter, more manageable intervals throughout the day. Even 10-minute walks spread throughout your day can make a difference. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about moving your body regularly and consistently. Walking works wonders. Walking is one of the simplest and most accessible forms of exercise, yet it offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance the quality of life, especially for seniors. There's a reason why doctors and health experts encourage walking. It's backed by science. Regular walking is not just about staying active, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. Medical professionals often recommend walking as a low-impact exercise that can be easily incorporated into daily routines. Studies have shown that regular walking can improve muscle strength, cardiovascular health, bone density, and balance in older adults. These physical benefits are crucial in maintaining independence and mobility as we age. Walking helps to keep the muscles engaged and the heart pumping, which in turn supports overall physical health. Walking has also been linked to improved mood, better sleep, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. The mental health benefits are equally impressive. Walking releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and can help reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. So, by simply putting one foot in front of the other, you're not just strengthening your body, you're boosting your overall well-being. Whether it's a brisk walk in the morning or a leisurely stroll in the evening, every step counts. Embrace the power of walking and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy living. Share your walking progress in the comments below and inspire others to join you on this journey to better health. Simple steps, big rewards. Making walking a habit. Making walking a habit doesn't require a major lifestyle overhaul. Start by finding a walking buddy, a friend, neighbor, or family member who can join you. Walking with someone can make it more enjoyable and keep you accountable. Choose safe and comfortable walking routes in your neighborhood, local park, or shopping mall. Wear comfortable shoes and loose-fitting clothing. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Carry a water bottle with you, especially on warm days. Nature's boosters for strength and energy. While walking is incredibly beneficial on its own, you can further support your muscle health and energy levels with a few natural remedies. Make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and eggs. Additionally, talk to your doctor about vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D plays a vital role in muscle function and bone health, and many seniors may not be getting enough from sunlight alone. Embrace a stronger, more vibrant you. Remember, aging gracefully doesn't mean passively accepting physical decline. It's about taking proactive steps to maintain our strength, independence, and joy for life. Walking is a simple, accessible, and enjoyable way to achieve all of this and more. It's a celebration of what our bodies are still capable of, no matter our age. So, lace up those walking shoes, grab a friend, and start walking your way to a stronger, healthier, and happier you. Share the gift of strength. Now that you know the secret to staying strong as you age, share this valuable information with your friends and family. Encourage them to join you on your walks and experience the incredible benefits firsthand. Together, we can create a community of strong, active, and empowered seniors who embrace aging with vitality and grace. Let's spread the word that getting older doesn't have to mean slowing down. It's about moving forward with strength, confidence, and joy. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a vibrant and active life.